It's been a busy 2 years for the Supreme Court of Ohio's Office of Bar Admissions.
It really gives you a perspective that you didn't have before.
The pandemic prompted its first remote bar exam in October 2020. That also happened to be its first uniform bar exam, a format change that allows successful applicants to practice law in most other states. Now the bar exam is back in a familiar place, the Roberts Center in Wilmington.
Very happy to be back in person. We've had to make a lot of changes.
One obvious protocol is masks. Another is social distancing, including more space with a second exam hall. A change that could stay for years to come is staggered arrivals and departures to get everyone in and out quicker.
People don't have to wait in line. They're told what time to be here.
A major difference in how this exam was conducted was the people in the background, the proctors. These volunteers do a lot of the legwork while keeping an eye on the examinees.
Just a matter of making sure that the folks that are in this room taking the exam are following those rules. A lot of walking around, answering questions.
Typically, 1 or 2 new proctors are trained to serve for an exam. This time, there were 20. Most of them are attorneys who responded to a letter from Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor calling on lawyers to do their part for the legal profession.
It's important, when you get to a certain point in your career that you start giving back.
The opportunity gave these practitioners some insight as they compared it to their time as test takers.
It's much better to sit at this table than those tables.
And the experience provided a greater perspective for the months of work to stage the event.
I now know how much effort goes into setting up and running this so smoothly.
I'm Chaba Sukos for Court News Ohio.